EuroScrum. It's David and Chris here, and oh, here's the recording started. It's EuroScrum. It's David and Chris, and I guess I'll start with my updates today. I'm going to be stepping down from running most of the EuroScrums, but just suggested that we set up some kind of schedule for people to volunteer on. But Chris should be able to start it a lot of days, but it's sometimes going to be difficult for you to do it every day, Chris, isn't it?
Yeah, every day now.
Right. The only other thing I have is that I just discovered this about. Well, I didn't discover it. Somebody else discovered it and wrote it all up in Stack Overflow, but you often get these errors in developer console. You get these map files that.
What are those map files? I've noticed them.
So this is the question, and the answer is here. The map files are ways of reversing the combined or minification process back to the original JavaScript.
Oh, right.
And Chrome goes and downloads these unless this enable source maps is unchecked. I expect other browsers do the same. Firebug probably does the same. And if you don't have, if you're looking for these, they're set in the bottom of the file. It tells you where to find the source file, but you have to have it on your server if you want a source map. If you don't have a source map, you get 404 errors in your console log and in your server logs, and they're going to be pretty annoying. And you're never going to be able to debug your code either.
Right.
So I had no idea there was a way to reverse minification. I thought you just had to load the original source files onto your server and use them instead.
Well, only if the creators of that script will also send the map file. Otherwise, it's terrible. Without a map file, it's almost impossible.
Yes, you need the original. You need the map file or the original sources. You can't just yeah.
Which is also good, because if you want to write JavaScript and you want to hide it from users, you just do the uglifying and it's done. And the bigger the file, the harder it is to read.
Yes. Yeah, well, that's true. Yes, it's so obviously if you're looking for something valuable like a secret key, you're gonna make the effort, or somebody's gonna make the effort. But
yeah, definitely.
Otherwise, if it's your design techniques or something, they might be a lot more safe.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cool. And this map files, as far as I know, it comes every time you download Angular.
Yeah, and it also comes from, you can have them from jQuery or just about anything else.
Oh, yeah, cool.
Yeah, because I came across it because somebody was getting a problem with, I think it was with digraph, which is a way of drawing charts, charting data. Somebody is making a temperature probe, web-enabled temperature probe, and it just wasn't working right, and they were trying to go through the actual errors in the code and saw all these other errors instead. Yeah, pretty confusing. Okay. Right. Have you any updates, Chris?
Well, I've been programming a lot these days on the OSRA project. I had a lot of time to do some work, and I think we're gonna go in production this weekend if the client doesn't come up with something new. Today I'll do I'll get some code review from the guys, and then I'll refactor stuff, and the last task it's ready.
Okay. Well, if you join it on Agile Ventures, it will show up in your profile.
Oh yeah, I have to do that. I forgot. Also, I noticed that the bike share application started this week.
Yeah, I saw there was a big meeting yesterday.
Unfortunately, I don't think I can also join that because it's pretty busy here at OSRA.
Yes, it's too much to take on two of these usually.
Yeah.
Yeah, if they're busy.
Even if it would be good for me because starting a new application
Hmm.
would be interesting.
Yes. Yeah, that's right. Um, I was listening to a podcast about learning to code, or developing your career the other day, and you have to
Yeah.
realize at some point that you can't learn all the things because all the things is just too enormous.
Yes, it's insane to learn everything. Even if it looks interesting.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I've been saying like a few weeks that I want to do EDX course about embedded systems, if you remember.
Yes. Yes. I.
That's cool, but I don't know if I have time for that too because the SAS course starts and I have to work, and now I joined OSRA and it's super busy.
Oh yes. I've nearly ordered the. Hesitating over ordering the kit of parts for the embedded systems course because it sounds so much fun.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
Yes, but
but
you're right. There's just too many things that are fun, interesting, good for our careers that we can't do all of them.
yeah, but this Agile Adventures is really awesome. I just joined like 2 weeks ago the OSRA team, and I already learned a lot.
Yeah, good.
It's
Yeah,
amazing.
I'm really looking forward to getting more time
Yeah.
with it again. Um,
Sometimes I wonder why isn't like hundreds of people around here. It's like only 30 or 40.
yeah, so I'm wondering what we're doing wrongly. I mean, I mentioned it at the user group um, the other day, a few weeks ago, and there was just no excitement about it at all. I don't know if it was my presentation method or we're really not offering something that interests them. Because when I went on to suggest or do a Rails tutorial in person for them, there was a lot more interest in that.
Where did you do this?
This was what do they call it? Code Hub, which is an
Oh,
informal user group in Bristol.
oh, nice. Ah, you're from Bristol?
Uh, Bristol's about 25 miles from me, so I go there now and again.
Cool.
Kind of, yeah, biggest city in this area.
Yeah, nice.
25 miles, yeah, 40 kilometers.
Uh-huh.
No, there's no point speaking in miles to somebody from Romania.
No, I understand mileage.
You do, good, yeah,
Yeah.
yes. Well, I guess the Romans, when they colonized Romania, had miles, but I think they're a different length.
Oh, miles came from Romans.
The Romans certainly used miles, yes.
Really? Oh, didn't know
Yes.
that.
There's,
Oh, yeah, like feet and stuff. Yeah, it comes from Romans. Makes sense.
yeah. There's a famous car race in Italy called the Miglia Milio, I think, which is the 1,000-mile car race.
I think I heard of that. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, they don't use it. The Italians don't use them anymore, I don't think.
No,
Apart from
no, they
your
are.
race. All right. Okay, that's enough of that, I think. Right. Good to talk to you, Christian. I
Okay.
hope I'll try and keep an eye out for coding sessions if I am free and try and jump into them. But
Yeah, yeah, would be great
otherwise,
to do some pairing. I've
yeah.
been pairing a lot on OSRA. It's really great.
Mm, okay.
Well, take care and talk to you soon. And I hope your father get better.
All right. Thank you. All right. Bye then.
Take care. Happy holidays. Bye.